Good afternoon and welcome to a beautiful sunny Costa Adeje here at Tenerife. Yesterday we walked that way along the coast. Today we're walking that way. I tell you what, mind, I just said a beautiful sunny Costa Adeje, which it is, but for the first time since we've been here, bit of cloud going on there. It needs to go away. So we've walked through a little shopping centre thing which had a ramp to get into it, and we thought we could get through to the beach, which we can, but not with wheels. So we'll have to go back and yeah, go back round. Oh, there's paragliders up there. Can you see them on this camera or not? Wow. I'll try and zoom in the footage. Around about here. We found the ramp. You come from up there and down here. That gets you on the seafront. So for a reference, where we are is the beach in front of the Hotel Troya and the McDonald's, etc. Now, what I will say is you have a lot of the lucky men and scammers down here. There's also quite a few pickpockets, especially at night. So just be careful of your belongings when you come down this end. The beach is lovely, the water is lovely, it's nice and calm because it's got like rocky cove bits. But yeah, just be careful of the scammers and the pickpockets. So the name of this beach is actually Playa Troya. And I've noticed there's not so many of the scammers or the people selling illicit goods. Well, there is police on patrol, which is good. And they've just shifted this lady on. There you go, searching local DRUG dealers. There you go. Perfect, just what we need. So there you go, right in queue when I said there was people selling illicit stuff down here. There's one just being caught. Beautiful palm trees, beautiful bridge, and a mattress. Wah, wah, wah. That sand art was good, wasn't it? Anywho, I'm going to continue to walk around the coast. Well, we've only went and walked all the way to Las Maracas. And we've actually stopped where we had a drink the last time we were here, last year. So yeah, drink time.
You got the idea? No idea.
Oh yeah. So there you have it, folks. We've walked from Adeje to Las Maracas, and now we've turned around and we're going to walk back again. Hey! Oh, I missed it. See, you've only got a better shot than me.
Oh,
It
very
was better than mine.
well done.
Can you tell the police have finished their little sting? Yeah, all the looky-lookies out. Well, I've just remembered we're at the bottom of a hill, didn't I? Yay! I've only walked from down that bit, and I'm knackered already. I'm not even a third of the way up, or even at the steep bit yet. So you have to remember, if you come to Adeje or Tenerife in general, there's a lot of hills and a lot of steep hills. Where's he going? Hey! We're still heading uphill, but I know what's around this right hand bend. It goes virtually vertical. It's not showing much on camera, but it's steep and it gets steeper. Well, made it up the first steep part, pushing the wheels. Got the next bit to go now, and this is longer and steeper. Here we go. Yay, we've made it up the big hill. Ooh, our hotel's halfway up another one. So there you go. The last bit of hill before the hotel. There you are, folks. That was a walk from Costa Adeje to Playa de las Americas, along the seafront, and then back again. Just a little much about, as Jeff Carter would say. Anywho, shall see you on the next one. Now it's time to do your job.